probably one of the dumbest things I've seen on a trip.
No, you have to walk out the end of the dock and jump in. There's weeds at the end of the dock.
There's weeds right there. There's glass. There's glass right there.
There's glass where my kids play.
There's glass there.
Where do I go in?
Off the end of the dock.
It's nasty.
There's weeds right there too.
Well, you feel nasty, so don't worry about it. It'll feel better.
Is it a mushy bottom?
Yeah. Just sand and like loon shit kind of stuff.
Are you gonna sink?
I don't know. Well, I mean, up to your ankles maybe.
It's gonna be cold.
No shit. The water's like 41 degrees. Dumb cunt.
That's nasty. Oh my god.
How's the water there, Jay?
I just dropped my fucking shampoo.
How's the water?
Hey, it's not too bad now.
No? Got used to it?
I hope the wind picks up. Yep, there it is.
Fucking nuts must be coming out your asshole right now. It's kind of awkward with you two with cameras there.
Smile.
It's hard to smile when it's fucking this cold.
Yeah, it looks cold on those nips.
Oh, there comes the sun. You're saved.
Look. We got an Indian working with us.
It's not too bad actually.
What's the temperature of the water?
Whoa! Fucking bubble.
Yeah. There's musky in here, eh?
Shut up.
Hi, did you see the size of that hammerhead we caught the other night?
Up. Oh damn it! Just let me shoot. I'm not even joking. My shoe's stuck.
Like, we're not helping you.
Yeah, I can get in that water.
You're gonna be dirtier than you went in.
I want my fucking camp shoe.
You have to dive down and get it, I guess.
Woo!
Shampoo in your hair.
It's fucking nasty in here.
How'd you get to rinse your hair?
You gonna wash
Over
your
there.
hair out?
Oh, now you're gonna freeze.
Look at that
Plumber's crack. A lot of work just to have a shower.
I know.
Watch him slip now.
James, don't play on the wet rocks.
Shut up.
Oh, giving those things a scrub.
You have a hand over here.
Say no to crack.